Okay, so welcome back guys to my channel Technician. So today you might have seen my previous videos how to buy bitcoins anonymously. So with that you can actually make a Bitcoin wallet address also, like anonymously again, yeah. So today I'll probably be showing you how to get free money. So which is basically in the form of bitcoins which you can later change to however you want. So yeah, let's get started. So over here you can see this is the website. So in this website basically I would actually put the link in the bio in my description. So you can just click on it and check. So I'm putting the link of two websites which are actually one of the best websites for Bitcoin mining. So over here, all you got to do is just type your address in. I basically did this line in front of the thing just to hide my address. Okay, anyway, that's all you got to do. First, obviously you have to make a Bitcoin address. That's like it's basic requirement. So after that, all you got to do is just click start mining. So you can see over here it is loading. So you can see I've already earned around 0.014 etc. Bitcoin. So there are actually different programs that you can select. It gives like depends on the amount of Bitcoin per day they'll give you. But for this you need some Bitcoin originally. And another problem with this is that you need a minimum amount of Bitcoin to actually withdraw. So right now I think in this is 0.005 Bitcoin you will require. So for this much 0.014 Bitcoin, it took me around I guess 1.5 to 2 weeks. So I haven't withdrawn it yet, but I will withdraw it and I'll confirm it. So right now you can see I will just be clicking on withdraw. Yeah, so over here I will be confirming the withdrawal. So over here, okay, so that's one. Okay, so you can see it'll be pending and it'll give it to you within around 1 week or something. So from what I've seen, this is one of the best Bitcoin miners I've seen, and I've researched for around 2 to 3 weeks, more than that actually. So yeah, this is one of the best. So all you got to do is click on the link in the description, start Bitcoin mining, man. And then there'll be two links. So I'll specify which one is which. So the other one actually, you will have to start it with an like original Bitcoin value. Like you need some Bitcoin before you actually start mining. So that is one big problem for that one. But then it gives faster results and it's fine. So this website is actually secure, so you have no problem or anything. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Start Bitcoin mining, and please check out my other video if you want to learn how to make a Bitcoin address. So that's it. Thanks for watching.